This is video 5, adding containment. You probably notice on this project there's a lot of containment runs on here, so it's probably wise to show you how to do it. So it's quite simple. On the insert menu you have the cable supports or containment, conduit, trunking, perforated tray and ladder rack. The containment is purely here as a visual cue to route your cables. It doesn't, there are no sizing calculations for the containment. We don't know the cable sizes at this juncture, so how can we size the containment? We're just gathering the information from the floor plan. So you could actually import the containment runs as part of a DXF file. So if somebody's done an AutoCAD drawing, for example, or somebody might have used Revit MEP and done some provisional containment runs. They might have done some early doors coordination exercises and included those on the floor plan, which you can include on the DXF, so you could follow those routes. But you can draw them in here. First of all, checking the orthogonal is set, so it's horizontal and vertical. You then go up and choose the containment you want. So I'm going to do trunking. I'm going to click once to start the trunking run, and then all you do is route it. If while you're routing it you feel you want to revise the route, a right button click takes you back each run, and then you can double click to finish the containment run. Press both buttons on your mouse together to cancel, or press escape on the keyboard. If I want to add some conduit run or anything like that, so let's say I'll remove that one from the fire alarm, so selecting delete on the keyboard. So I'll put some conduit in, click once on the trunking, double clicking to finish. So it's always a double click. So when you draw it, it's one click to start, one click for each change of direction, and double click to finish. And there's some other options open to you. We have perforated tray, and we also have ladder rack as well. Again, I'll just remove those from the layout. So clicking on it once, pressing delete on the keyboard, that removes it. So the containment is only really there as a visual cue. It's not paramount to compiling the data. You could connect all your circuits and all your cable lengths without even putting any containment in. So it's not essential, but it's a nice to have on the layout to see and give you some guidance on how you're going to route your runs.